changing fast that you can learn it at a slower pace.
Special English.
Please note that the following stories are read by AI, but all information has been written and verified by professional editors. You are listening to Special English. Chinese commercial aerospace company LandSpace has announced plans to conduct another recovery test for its reusable Juche-3 rocket in the second quarter of this year, following a maiden flight that ended with an anomaly in December 2025. The announcement was made during a session of the Scientific and Technical Subcommittee of the United Nations Committee on the Peaceful Uses of Outer Space held recently in Vienna. Juche-3 is a domestically developed reusable launch vehicle powered by liquid oxygen methane. The rocket's first stage is equipped with a reaction control system, grid fins, and landing legs, enabling vertical landing and reuse. After liftoff, the rocket completed its maiden flight on December 3, 2025. Its second stage managed to enter its designated orbit, but the recovery of its first stage failed. Its first stage booster experienced anomalous combustion during recovery, failing to achieve a soft touchdown on the landing pad. According to LandSpace, the development team is currently optimizing the rocket's landing procedures. Based on the results of the upcoming second quarter test, the company aims to attempt the first recovery and reflight mission in the fourth quarter of this year. The Beijing-based rocket manufacturer said that if the first stage of the rocket is recovered successfully, it will be refurbished and used on a subsequent Juche-3 launch, achieving reuse. You are listening to Special English. China National Offshore Oil Corporation has launched a large-scale drone operation project, the first of its kind in the country, in the Beibou Gulf oil fields in South China, marking a pioneering step in integrating marine energy development. With low-altitude economic activities, the project has been rolled out across 41 offshore platforms and 2 onshore terminal plants in the Beibou Gulf, establishing a comprehensive drone operation system that covers subsea pipeline inspections, logistics delivery, and emergency security responses. These operational drones can now conduct rapid aerial inspections of over 500 kilometers of subsea pipelines, efficiently identifying anomalies such as leaks and initiating emergency protocols. They can also assist in search and rescue operations. For vessels adrift and personnel that have fallen overboard. According to Meng Wenbo, coordination manager at the company's Zhanjiang branch, In South China's Guangdong province, this low-altitude economy application has completed more than 3,600 kilometers of drone patrols and small item logistics operations. Meng said that by replacing tugboats and helicopters with an air courier system, the company can save nearly 15 million yuan, about 2.17 million US dollars annually in vessel rental and fuel costs, while reducing carbon emissions by 25,000 tons. As Beijing braces for its annual spring pollen season, the city is to apply an innovative organic spray that acts as an invisible mask for juniper trees. According to the Beijing Municipal Forestry and Parks Bureau, the pollination period for the city's large juniper population is forecast to begin between March 7th and 11th, with a peak expected from March 15th to 20th. Within the Fifth Ring Road, there are approximately 337,000 juniper trees, 168,000 of which are pollen-producing males. In response, a comprehensive treatment plan is now underway. A key tool in this year's effort is a polymer organic compound known as a pollen fixative, developed by Beijing University of Agriculture. A bag of fixative can be mixed into a water truck with a capacity of 1 ton. Spraying the product once a day can make pollen settle over 20 times more effectively than water. That is according to Xing Yu, a professor of plant science and technology at the Beijing University of Agriculture. The fixative, which has been successfully trialed for 3 years, forms a translucent coating on the tree, trapping the pollen before it can be released into the air. This pollen fixative has now entered mass production and will be deployed across the city's 6 core districts this year. That is the end of today's program. I hope you will join us every day to learn English at a slower pace.